My vlog says the show is coming on now.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
See?
Yes. Wow.
Quite a show. Really big shoe.
We're gonna do another one now.
All
Okay.
right.
We're gonna do 5 of them.
5 shows?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What's the next one?
Well, you gotta do like this,
Oh my
and then
God.
you have to do like this.
Whoa, that looks hard.
And then you have to do. I don't know what to do to talk to you. I don't know that.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Set, go.
Just like Elaine.
Oh my God. Were you hitting yourself a little bit?
Yes.
Yeah. That was a great show. I'm glad I came to the show. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, good
Another
job.
show is coming on next.
Oh, really?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. Thanks, Bree.
You're welcome.
Wow, good job.
High five me. That was awesome. Yeah.
Another show is coming on.
Wow, I think it's time for an intermission. That means
No, it's
take a
good.
break.
Now it's your turn.
I'm not gonna do a show tonight.
Well,
Maybe another night.
you know what? It's not hard because it's easy to try it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, try it. You gotta stand up.
Okay.
Try it.
Can you do it with me?
No.
Should I do it like you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta do like this. Watch me.
Okay.
Gotta stand on the stainer.
Okay. 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 Dad's turn.
Oh, the can left. I do.
How do I
Dad's
do
turn.
What? I'll show you what you have to do.
Okay.
You gotta stand right here. Look out. Here, watch me. You're gonna do 5 dances.
5 dances.
You gotta do like that. Not like that. What? You have to do like this.
That son of a gun jumped through that fence.
I'll watch you.